channel. I am Rabiana. So today I have a pre-made wig that was sent to me from Beautyforeverhair. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I put this wig on. I dyed it jet black. I just think that this wig is like the beginner friendly wig, and I also think this is like the ultimate everyday wig. It's simple, it's body wave. All you have to do is put some curls in it and going about your day. Like, I love this wig. I definitely think that you guys should check them out. I'll leave everything down in the description box down below, but let's just go ahead and get into this wig. So this is the wig straight out the pack. I dyed the wig. I'm basically prepping my wig so that I can go ahead and get it dyed or whatnot. So the wig comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap, you guys. Constructed very nicely. The wig fit perfectly, and I always get my wigs in medium, a medium cap. The wig fit my head perfectly. So here are the dyes that I'm going to use to basically dye my hair jet black. These are from Target, and they are also $9.99. So if you guys did want to purchase these, they're also in Walmart as well. And I like this hair dye because it gives that shiny look to it. And I love this line of dyes. Like, they're so bomb. And they are a little pricier. You know, there are cheaper alternatives to get black hair dye, but I just love how this looks. Like, it's like a shiny black. Like, you're not having to, you know, put hair oil on your hair. It looks like you already have it on there. So here I am showing you guys like the process of me, you know, mixing up the developers, step-by-step process. It tells you everything that you need to do. And here I am putting the dyes in the water. The water is extremely hot. Yes, I did it as if it was like a watercolor method. However, it is a little different because this product, if you guys know, this is a permanent product. So it takes longer for the hair to turn black. So I'm just going to let you guys know that, like, you have to leave your hair in the water, let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, and that's exactly what I did, you guys. So I'm sitting here and I'm going to mix the product in with like this spoon that I use for like all of this watercolor methods that I do. Make sure you get something that's like dark like mine, or something that you just really don't care about, because it's going to stain it, you know, if it's not. Just to let you guys know, again, this is permanent hair dye, meaning that it will stay black forever. It's not going to rinse out, okay? So just keep that in mind, you guys. So this water is extremely hot. You don't have to have extremely hot water. I feel like it's really not necessary, but whatever. So here we are. I'm dyeing my wig unit, and I'm just pretty much just putting it in the water, you guys, and letting it sit in there. Now, I was dipping it in and out because I thought that it was going to work like the watercolor method, but no, this is permanent hair dye, you guys. So you have to keep it in there for however long the box says, and I believe it says like 30 to 45 minutes if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. Just read the directions. I left it in there for damn near an hour. So that's what I did. I also want to let you guys know that I did, like, doing this process, it did stain my lace. This is permanent hair dye. However, I didn't mind, which you can see right here in this clip. I didn't mind because I use foundation anyway to basically put my wigs on. When I install my wigs, I always use foundation, you guys. So it didn't matter to me. If you guys don't use foundation, I definitely don't recommend you guys use this type of method to dye your hair. So after I washed the hair or whatever, or took the dye out, rinsed the dye out, I then went and bleached my knots, because if you do it the other way, it's definitely just like, that's just like stupid. Like, you just wasted your time. So definitely dye your hair and then bleach the knots second. And that's how I came out with like the perfect knots. The knots look really good. They did come out a little orange. You guys will probably see a little orange, but it didn't bother me as long as they're bleached. You get what I'm saying? So it can like look and appear as if this is coming straight out of my scalp. I also want to let you guys know that even though it tinted my lace, all I did was use the foundation, and it worked perfectly fine. Like, you guys can't even tell right here that the lace has been dyed. It's because I used foundation and I also bleached my knots. So I definitely recommend this to you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this video play out. If I do have any other techniques or something that I want to explain a little bit more, I will come back. guys, I think that this wig is like really easy to work with. I didn't have any problems with it like trying to fit or anything. Like, it's so easy. You guys know that I normally do like that middle swoop where the parting is, but I just felt like it just was not needed. Like, this hair is so bomb. The quality of this hair is so bomb. I did loose curls. I didn't want to do any tight curls, you guys. I wanted to do something relaxed. I wanted to go for the layered look. However, because the wig is 26 inches, I did not want to cut the hair because I love length. So I did not cut any layers, you guys. I just did the long layers, and I think that they're just so bomb. Like, I just love this. Like, this look is bomb. Like, I love it. I suggest you guys dye your hair jet black, especially because it's like, you know, we're transitioning into the fall and winter cold months or whatnot, and I think this will be a good look. So I know a lot of people like their hair fuller, and I'm going to show you guys in a second exactly how you can get your hair fuller if you don't like this relaxed look. So you're going to take the BeautyForever blasting spray, you lift your hair, and you just spray it. And it like instantly makes your hair like appear a little bit more fuller. And basically you just don't have to do all that curling, tight curling if you don't want to. Like, this is just like the instant like messy hair look, and I love this look. I think that it's bomb, you guys. Like, it's so bomb. I love how this hair looks. Like, it just looks so much better this way to me. The BeautyForever blasting spray, it does take like a little bit of shine out of the hair. So if you don't like that, then I just don't suggest this for you to do this. But girl, I love this messy Victoria's Secret style. Like, it's bomb. So if you guys are wanting this wig unit, check down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Riviana.